Good morning, campers. Welcome to day 2 of Camp Enchanted. Yesterday we earned 5 batches and today we're aiming for 5 again. I don't have a lot of plans for today. However, I really want to do a hike of 3 kilometers. That's the goal today, basically. I have walked 2.2 kilometers and I was tired. So 3 will definitely be a challenge and it will earn me the hiker badge. But I do need to get my condition up. And I really want to after the nerf, so that's the goal. I would also then go eat outside. Do a little picnic in the national park where we're walking. So that will earn me the outdoor meal badge because that was not doable last year because of the rain. And then I would also like to point out 5 pretty things because we're walking in the national park. We're very fortunate to live very close to that. So I'm sure I can find 5 pretty things there. So that's the first 3 badges that I aim for. The other book is still in the bedroom and my husband is sleeping. So I would like to finish Red's Water Park today because I absolutely loved starting it yesterday. And that will give me the rafting badge. I still need to drink 2 liters of water today. I need to do that for every camp day to earn the hydration badge. But the last badge, I'm not sure. I still need to clean the kitchen drawer, but I'm also planning. It depends. My husband will look today at the trimmings in the kitchen if he wants to improve anything, if he wants something more sanded down, or he wants to fill some of the holes because it's an old wooden one, so they are dense and he might want to fill those. So if he does that early enough, I hope to be able to paint the trimmings today on the kitchen. That will earn me no badge, but I will be listening to that on the Rescue at Wild Lake, which will earn me the environmental badge. So that is an option. I should start the jigsaw today, but I will not earn a badge of that today at all. But I should start because otherwise I will not finish it this camp. But the other option is, if I can't paint, I could clean out the kitchen drawer, and that will earn me the tidy camper badge. So those are the plans for today, and we'll find out what actually is going to happen. Right now I am just editing the vlog of yesterday, so it will go live any minute now. But after that we're gonna walk and I will take you along. I'm back. Walking for 3 kilometers is a chore right now. I'm very tired, but we made it. So I'm proud. So I will get the hiker badge. And I also shared pretty things because we were in the national park. So a lot of pretty things. So I also earned the picturesque badge. So 2 badges so far today. Not bad. I think now I'm just gonna do the jigsaw puzzle. Start it. I will not finish it today at all. While Barbara's printing. campers! Good evening. It is now 8 o'clock and I'm ending this vlog here so I can edit it as a decent time. And then I also had promised a dance party, so I have around 20 minutes left before I going to do the dance party. So I just, I already gave myself that badge, as you have seen in my journal, because it will be done. And I will try to get some footage of that in for you all. But the rest of the video, most of it is edited. However, I did want to end this day with you and let you know that I ended up finishing the puzzle. I'm really proud of it. Part of it was only 250 pieces instead of 500 that I was thinking it was. But again, I am very proud of it because I only finished a 250 puzzle once before. And it took me 4 hours, and then I still had 10 pieces left and I couldn't finish it, so my husband did this for me. So this felt like a win because it took me a bit more than an hour and a half, which is not long at all. So I'm very proud to have made the first puzzle all by myself in under 2 hours. I also had caramelized Vietnamese ginger chicken for dinner, and it was delicious. Highly recommend. Barbara's prints were lovely. Again, she is linked down below. She is one of the co-hosts. Please go check her out, especially if you love environmental books, nature stuff. She is the one to beat. And I did finish Rescue at Wild Lake, so that gave me the environmental badge. It was a very cute, very nice story. However, I think the midsection, it dragged on a bit. I get why it's there. I'm not sure if I would remove it either, but it was less interesting for me. It didn't hold my interest as much as the beginning or the end. The end was really, really cute, really awesome moment. So I loved it. But it is going to keep being a 4-star. But, I still highly recommend it. It was a good book, absolutely. What else did we do? Oh, I forgot to mention earlier that I did get the outdoor meal badge because I had a picnic at the national park. And it was lovely. And that brings us, including the dance party badge that I probably put before this clip, just so you have seen it all, and this is truly the end piece. But yes, with the dance party badge, I've earned 6 badges today, which I'm obviously very happy of. The only thing is, so far I have not been able to read Red's Water Park, and I really want to. So secretly I'm hoping to get a bit of an early night in. The dance party I said at 9. I think, because the sprints for Barbara are until a bit over 8:30. So it's fair to start at 9. But I hope it doesn't take too long after that. Not because I don't want to hang out with you guys, because I love hanging out with you guys. But secretly, tonight I'm tired. I want to lay in my bed, read this book. Because I love it. And I want to continue it. I want to see if it is as good as I think it's going to be. So that was today. I hope you had a lovely camp day. If you didn't earn as much badges today as yesterday, don't you worry. It's all fine as long as you're having fun. You're being a good scout. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, campers.